Hello everyone, welcome back to Myriah's channel, and today's video is a hair tutorial video of me straightening her hair. This is the second time her hair has been straightened, so I figured that I would record it and show you guys, being that I'm doing it myself and we are doing it at home. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video helpful. She's been dying to get her hair straightened and literally been asking me every single day to straighten her hair, so I will be showing you guys the steps I take and the process. So right here, you guys, I already pretty much blow dried her whole entire head except one piece, but I did saturate her hair with some heat protectant. Heat protectant is very important with any hair texture, so you want to make sure you do that step first. It's very important. So I'm using a denim brush, and I'm just going to blow dry it, get it straight as possible with just the blow dryer, because I will be taking the flat irons, going flat iron it right after. So yes, you guys, Myriah doesn't like this step. She was like tearing up a little bit, but we got past it. So, and she literally was like, I walked away and she just started taking pictures and selfies and videos of herself. I was like, this little girl is so silly, but she's enjoying the process so far, as you guys can see. And yeah, let's get right into the flat iron. So first, you guys, I want to make sure anytime you're doing anybody hair, regardless if it's thicker hair, coarser hair, thinner, whatever, you want to make sure you section it off. Section it off, it just helps you out a lot. So it's just like, something that you should do. So always remember to also, when you combing and detangling, start from the bottom, the end, and work your way up. So yes, you guys, I'll be taking my Remington flat irons and I'll be starting from the nape of her head and working my way up until we're all done. So I did like 2 passes, but sometimes I did have to go over it for the 3rd time, but I have it like on 400 degrees. I fluctuated it between 375 and 400 degrees with her hair, so I didn't want too much heat in her hair at the same time. So I made sure, I try to use the comb method to get it straight as I possibly could. So yes, you guys, hope you guys, like I said, find this video helpful if you're going to straighten your little one's hair. This video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let y'all watch this part. I'm just going to take piece by piece, flat iron it, like I said, get it as straight as possible. And yes, you guys, I'll be back. So you guys, Myriah was kind of like upset, so my mom had to come in and smush on her and give her some little love, tender love and kisses, because she was ready to get up at this point. Yeah, she get very impatient when it comes to her hair. So yeah, my mom had to, give her a little bit of attention. So yeah. we are at the final step and almost done with the straightening. It literally took about an hour, probably a little bit over an hour, to get her hair straightened the way I wanted it. And as you guys can see, Myriah is pretty much happy. Her attitude is like completely changed once we got done, and she started to feel herself a lot and was enjoying it, like the look that she has already. But I'm going to go ahead and take my shears and begin to trim her ends. This step is very, very important. You want to make sure that you try to get as much as the dead ends as possible. I know a lot of you may not be professionals, but you know, it won't hurt just to trim off a few inches, not too much, just a few inches to get that dead end, and the hair will start to, you know, grow thicker and better. So like I said, that step is very, very important, so you want to make sure that you do that. And just to give her hair a little bit more, makes it look more healthy overall. With those dead ends, it just looks so like raggedy, but when you remove them, it just makes your hair look so much healthier. Even if you still like leave a little bit of it, it still gives it a little bit of, you know, volume. So with her hair, I'm just going to take my bigger flat irons, and these are Remington as well, and I'm just going to bump the ends just so that her hair can hold off a little bit longer, because Myriah's hair is pretty much like mine. Even though we get it flat iron and it gets very straight, it seems to kind of frizz up very frequently, like really quick. So I'm just trying to bump it so that it can last a little bit longer. Like I said, her hair is literally just like mine. My hair does this same thing. Like it's rarely that it stay like bone straight. So I have to like do certain things to keep it, you know, to last longer, and so I won't have to continue to put heat on it as much. So yes, you guys, as you guys can see, let me know what y'all think of the video. So yeah, I did take some bio silk. I forgot about that. I did take bio silk, and I just put a little bit in my hand, the palms of my hand, and rubbed it all through her hair. And yes, we are done. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Myriah's channel for more hair videos. And yes, you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Love ya.